how to delete story on Instagram. So basically, if you would like to delete your story on Instagram, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application, as you would be able to find here. And as you can currently see, if I simply go ahead and then open it up, I have happened to add a certain story. Now, what if I want to get rid of that story? Well, I can do that if I just open up my story like this, and from the bottom right, you can see the three dots option that says more. I can just tap on the more option there, and there you'll find an option that says delete. So all you have to do is just tap on the delete button there, and as you've done that, it will ask you to delete this photo. So yes, I can just tap on the delete button, and then my story on Instagram will be successfully removed. And this way I should be able to delete story on Instagram. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.